Lesson 17. One word substitution. Sometimes we replace many words with a single word. The act of replacing one word in place of another is called one word substitution. By substituting word, we can make a shorter and more precise sentence. Let us learn some one word substitutions. 1. Who drives a motor car? Chauffeur. A hotter of mankind? Misanthropist, an instrument of detecting earthquake. Seismograph, a lover of others. Altruist, a person who is in charge of a museum. Curator, one who cannot speak. Dumb, a shortened form of a word or a phrase, abbreviation. One who carves in stone. Sculptor, the assembled listeners at an event, audience, which can be acceptable, animals that live on land as well as in water, amphibians, which runs on its own, automatic, government by official, bureaucracy, an instrument used for measuring atmospheric pressure, barometer, an animal that lives on flesh, carnivore, 100 years, century, a book which tells about different words and their meanings, dictionary. One who edits newspaper, books, magazines, films, etc., editor. One who is fit for a post, eligible. One who is very attentive to accuracy and detail, fastidious. Pleasant and favorable for living in, hospitable, an animal that lives on plants, herbivore. One who is quick to anger, irritable, which is based on law, legal. A handwritten book, document or piece of music, manuscript, which moves from one place to another, migratory. One who dies for a noble cause, martyr, a privilege enjoyed by citizen, right. One who watches a show, game, etc., spectator. One who lives on vegetables only, vegetarian. Something through which water cannot pass, waterproof. The yellow internal part of the egg, yolk. The head of a town, council or corporation, mayor. One who lends money and keep goods as security, pawnbroker. One who makes wheels for carriages and carts, wheelwright. One who sells articles at public sales, auctioneer. One who is skilled in the treatment of diseases of animal, veterinarian. One who writes shorthand, stenographer. One who writes novels, novelist. One who compiles a dictionary, lexicographer. One who sells paper, ink, pen and writing materials, stationer. One who studies the evolution of mankind, anthropologist. One who studies the working of the human mind, psychologist. One who is compelled by law to serve as a soldier, conscript. One who look on the bright side of things, optimist. On the bright side of things, optimist. One who looks on the dark side of things, pessimist. A hater of mankind, misanthrope. One who talks in his sleep, somnambulist. One who talks in his sleep, somniloquist. One who is banished from his home or his country, exile. One who breaks image or church, iconoclast. One who retires from society to live a solitary life, recluse, hermit. One who offers his service of his own free will, volunteer. One who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind, philanthropist. A soldier or a sailor, newly enlisted, recruit. Government by a sovereign with uncontrolled authority, autocracy, despotism. A lover of animals, zoophilist. Government by the nobility, aristocracy. Government by departments of state, bureaucracy. Government by divine guidance, theocracy. The right of self-government, autonomy. The science of government, politics. The art of tilling the soil, agriculture. The art of cultivating and managing gardens, horticulture. The study of ancient buildings and prehistoric remains, archaeology. The art of beautiful handwriting, calligraphy. The art of mankind, maps and charts, cartography. They study of physical life or living matter, biology. The study of plants, botany. The natural history of animals, geology. The study of rocks and soils, geology. The study of birds, ornithology. The study of eggs, oology. The study of mountains, orology. The study of origin and history of words, etymology. The study of lake or of pond life, limnology.